Welcome to our channel. This is an English version for our review of the CASIO AE1500WH. The one in this video is the 8BV variant, which uses negative display. The main features of this watch: stopwatch with accuracy 100th of a second, dual time, 5 alarms with 1 snooze alarm and hourly signal, water resist 100 meters, LED backlight with amber color, white face, and for calendar, it's full auto up to 2099, so no need to worry about setting in a leap year. This watch uses a CR2032 battery and is claimed to last 10 years, and accuracy 30 seconds per month. It measures 54.4 mm high, 51.2 mm wide, and 15.7 mm thick. So yes, it's pretty large. Weight with strap is 57 grams. Now let's see it close up. The front crystal is made of resin, not mineral glass, so it's a bit prone to scratch. It uses a resin bezel and case. And now for the back side, it uses a backplate with 4 screws. And on the backplate you can see the movement code 3502, series, water resistance specification, and production country. For the strap, it uses a spring bar with 18 mm lug width, similar to the strap for the W291H and W737. This is the right side of the watch with 2 buttons, light and start. And this is the left one, 2 buttons, adjust and mode. Here's the strap, the point side, and here its underside. This is the buckle side, and here's its underside. For the buckle itself is made from plastic. Now let's check the watch face. In the main display there are day, month, date, and then hours, minutes, and seconds. There are 4 buttons: adjust, light, start, mode. And water resistance is 100 meters. And below, 10 years battery. Then the alarm indicator 1 up to 5. The right side has an indicator that cycles every 10 seconds. For modes, we start from timekeeping. Press once and then we enter the alarm mode. There are alarm number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, the countdown timer mode, which has a range of up to 24 hours. I have tried this for 1 second, so it appears 23, 59, 59. And then the stopwatch mode. The start button is for start and stop, while the adjust button is for reset. Next is the dual time mode. And after pressing the mode button one more time, it returns to standard or timekeeping mode. And to switch from 24-hour to AM/PM mode or vice versa, we can press the start button. Next, we try the backlight. It's amber color and holds a few seconds. And now for the pros and cons. On the pro side, first, the watch has a large display which makes it relatively easy to read. The styling is super cool and very sporty. And then for the price is quite economical, it's under $30 with lots of features: water resist 100 meters, 5 alarms, timer, and so on. And on the other side, first, resin crystal. It's already protected from the protruding bezel shape, but it's still prone to scratches. Second, the size is quite large, so you need to check with the user's wrist. And third, if you're not into negative display, then this variant is not for you. In overall, CASIO managed to present a super cool model at a fairly competitive price. Okay, that's it for this time. I hope this review is useful. If you have any input or suggestions, please type them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!